welcome to another episode of Be You Natural. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nighttime routine, and it's just a really quick video on how you can wrap your hair and ensure that the moisture stays in and you don't have any problems when you wake up in the morning. So basically you're going to need just a couple of items, and the first item I'm going to use is the leave-in spray. So here we have leave-in spray, and you can use any product of your choice, but this is the one that I use. I also have my scarf that I'm going to be wrapping my hair with. To split my hair in two sections. You can choose to split it in how many sections you want to, but for my hair, and because I wanted to do this really quickly, I'm just only using two sections. So I'm going to section up the first side, and I'm spraying with my leave-in conditioner. And the next, basically you want to make sure that you're getting all of the ends mostly. You don't want to spray too much and make it like get it saturated with product, because especially if you have like a certain style you're trying to keep or maintain, you want to leave that in or not use as much. So as you can see, I have a little bit of castor oil that I like to put on my edges, and it just helps keeping them nice and thick, especially throughout the day when you're using very tight hairstyles that cause a lot of stress on your edges. You just want to replenish it and make sure that you're really taking care of them. So I added the castor oil, and now I'm just going to be adding a little bit of my shea butter mix. And if you want to know how I made that, there's going to be a link in the description below on my recipe. So I'm just going to lather up and spread that throughout my hair. Like I said, focusing more on my ends and not solely just on the roots. But I just want to make sure that I'm getting enough to a point that I know that my hair is re-moisturized. So we rub that in, and then I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist, guys. This is really easy and very simple right before you go to bed. So I'm twisting my hair up, and you can decide if you want like a different type of texture the next morning. You can decide to do a braid so you get a different pattern when you wake up, or if you want to keep that same pattern like I do, I'm doing a very loose twist, and I'm just wrapping it around itself, and then I'm going to secure that with one of my ponytail holders. So just will secure that twice, and make sure it's not too tight, because you don't want to add more stress to your hair while you're sleeping. That's a lot. That's long hours of your hair continuously being stressed out, and that won't be good or help you with retaining. So guys, I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. Adding my leave-in conditioner, adding a little bit of castor oil, you know, gotta keep them edges looking good, girl. So you make sure you massage that oil in too, because you know, stimulation to your scalp really helps to stimulate growth, and it is a good thing to do with your scalp, because that helps blood flow and all that come into your scalp, which in turn helps promote growth. So as you can see, I'm splitting it up into 2 sections, or just 2-strand knot. I'm sorry, not 2-strand twist. Twist that bad boy up. And remember guys, you don't have to do a twist. You can do a braid, you can do 2 twists. Like, it's all what you want, how you want your hair to feel or be the next day. Like, let's just say you wanted a more defined look, you would obviously use more twists. But if you want your hair to maintain the same style or the same thickness, you can just do 1 long twist. That way it's not interrupting any pattern you have going on, and just twist it around itself. It's really easy, guys. And this is what you can do every single night to ensure that your hair is protected when you sleep. So I know my 2 ponytails don't look the best, but girl, it'll keep that hair looking good the next morning. So here I'm taking a scarf. You can use a bonnet if you want to as well, but I'm taking a scarf just so to secure it, and just gonna tie it around. And once I'm done with that, just going to add a bonnet, and that is it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.